Why do onions make us cry? Onions have a secret inside. Imagine tiny cats living in little rooms. When you cut an onion, snap! You break open those rooms. The tiny cats get scared and rush out. Super speedy little guys. But these aren't normal cats. They spray out invisible cat tears as they run. These tiny tears float into the air. Some sneak into your eyes.
Uh-oh.
It stings. A tiny tickle you don't like. Your eyes go, quick, wash it out. So they make real tears to fight back. Those tears from the onion cats? They're actually sulfur compounds. It's how the onion protects itself. So next time you're crying while chopping, just blame the panicked little onion cats and their invisible tears.